The Clinical Skills Exam is one of the biggest milestones in the dental equivalency process, and we're here to help you master it. At ConfiDentist, we've designed packages to meet every student's needs, whether you want focused preparation or deep mastery. With recorded demos you can revisit anytime, personalised work checks to clear every doubt, and dedicated on-site coaching, you'll never feel alone on this journey. Our newly renovated training centre provides everything you need: lockers, a lounge, lab access, and an exam-like environment that helps you feel ready from day one. At ConfiDentist, everything is ready for your jump to success.